Unit 22, Part A, Activity 2B. Listen, check and repeat.
Monarchy is a system of government that involves kings and queens. Some countries have kings and queens, like the UK, Cambodia, Thailand, and Spain. Usually, the parents would pass on the throne to their children. Then the children do the same thing over. This goes on generation after generation. The king, queen, and their children make up a royal family. Traditionally, the heirs to the throne are the male members of the family. When a king dies, he passes on the responsibility to his son. This means his son becomes a king and continues the work he started. Some people like royal families so much, they worship them. They bow their heads when they see them. They don't make much noise and are very respectful around them. Sometimes they collect pictures of them too.
Unit 22, Part A, Activity 4A. Listen and write the missing words. Use the words in Activity 3. Write in your notebook.
King Sihanouk was a man admired by many Cambodians. He was loved not only because he cared deeply about his people, but also because he had a good sense of humour and was very talented. King Sihanouk went to a few French schools in Vietnam. He inherited the throne from his father when he was only 18 years old. He served as a monarch, prime minister, figurehead of the communist revolution, and leader in exile. He got married in 1952 to Queen Norodom Moniniet, and they had 2 children, Norodom Sihamoni, the current king of Cambodia, and Norodom Narendrapong. His eldest son and half-brother to the king, Norodom Ranariddh, became the co-prime minister, alongside Prime Minister Hun Sen in 1993, when Cambodia held their very first democratic election. King Sihanouk was also a great musician and learnt to play the saxophone while he was at school. He was also a filmmaker. Throughout his lifetime, he produced, directed, and even wrote films on his own. It was said that sometimes, in important meetings, he would try to impress his guests by showing them his films. He died in 2012, and in 2013, on the first anniversary of his death, a huge statue of him was built near the Independence Monument.